Welcome back to our channel. Question 15 asks about the concept of bond energy. So remember when individual atom here, they have a higher energy, okay? When they form a bond, they becomes a lower energy, more stable, right? So in this process, they release the the energy, the bond energy, or you call it a bond enthalpy. So energy is released during bond formation. So A, B, C, D, which one is incorrect? D. They said that absorb energy. Oh, and of course, no matter what kind of energy, forming bonds should release the energy. So how do you know how much energy released? Depends on the products, right? If the product has a lower energy, it will release more energy, right? So by this concept, which option is wrong? A is wrong. They said that if they are in a gas state compared with liquid state, they have a latent heat of vaporization, right? So it is a higher energy state. So higher energy, if you go to a higher energy state, if the product has higher energy, less energy will given out, right? So the other is about B and C. For C, it's a little bit complicated. You need to remember what is an enthalpy change and what is a bond enthalpy. So we talk about from the reactants to products. We can think about this process by bond enthalpy. Okay, if we decompose all the reactant into its atom, break it down, what happened to the enthalpy? Enthalpy increase or decrease? Look at here, from bond to low bond, right? So energy increases by what amount? Enthalpy, bond enthalpy. So for this, from the breakdown the reactant into individual atom, it is plus the bond enthalpy of the reactants, okay? The enthalpy change is plus the bond enthalpy. But when the atoms form the products, energy is released, right? So the enthalpy drops by the bond enthalpy of the product. So we got the sign for the two bond enthalpy when they are used to calculate the enthalpy change from reactants to products. For the reactants to be plus, for the products to be minus. So what is the result? Is option C correct or not? No. Contrary said that minus the sum of the reactant. It means the reactants bond enthalpy should be negative when we calculating the enthalpy change. No, actually it should be a plus, right? The products bond enthalpy should be the negative. So it is wrong. But we still look at as B whether it is right or wrong, right? If the product have stronger bond, remember stronger bond means a lower energy, right? Release more energy. Good. So it means that you go from a higher energy to lower energy state. Of course, energy is released, so it is exothermic, making the surrounding hotter. So the answer is B. Very good question. Okay, test you about bond enthalpy change, higher energy, lower energy, and lots of concept. So try to learn from it. You learn your concept of bond enthalpy will be much better. Okay, see you for next question. Bye.